Good evening. This is All India Radio Kohima. I'm Jonas Yantan with Evening News. The headlines. Nagaland records highest single-day spike of 310 COVID-19 positive cases, increasing the tally to 4,946. Nagaland completes process of enumeration of 7th Economic Census. Prime Minister Modi says National Education Policy 2020 will give a new direction to the 21st century India. And Kiphire District Administration initiates Project UJJWAL to light up Kiphire. Nagaland today reported 310 fresh COVID-19 cases, taking the tally to 4,946. This is the highest single-day spike reported in the state since detection of first 3 COVID-19 cases on May 25 last. Health and Family Welfare Minister S. Pangyapom in a tweet informed that 310 new positive cases of COVID-19 have been detected out of 922 samples tested. 176 in Dimapur, 127 in Kohima, 3 in Zunabodo, and 1 each in Woka, Peren, Mon, and Mukuchung districts. Meanwhile, 10 patients, Kohima 5, Dimapur 4, and 1 in Zunabodo district recovered during the day. Nagaland's recovery rate has come down to 76.66%. The state now has 1,134 active cases, while 3,791 people have recovered from the infection. So far, 8 out of 10 deaths are due to COVID-19, while 11 have migrated. Nagaland has completed the process of 7th Economic Census. This was informed by Special Secretary, Economics and Statistics Department, Kevileno Angame, during the State-Level Coordination Committee SLCC review meeting on the status of the ongoing 7th Economic Census held today at the Chief Secretary's Conference Hall in Kohima. She said that the census and enumeration exercise is completed, and out of 2,276 survey frames given by central government, 2,226 survey frames could be covered. However, she said that 50 survey frames could not be covered for various reasons, such as non-existence or not habituated. Therefore, resurvey is required as directed by the Ministry for 383 units in the state. She further stated that SLCC and District LCC were constituted for monitoring of the census, while the monitoring of day-to-day operations is assigned to the State-Level Operations Committee. After thorough deliberation on the various issues, Chief Secretary Demjantoy remarked that the 50 survey frames which need resurvey must be done after thorough consultation and clarification with the GIS and Home Department. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has said that the National Education Policy 2020 will give a new direction to the 21st century India. Addressing the National Conclave on School Education in the 21st Century today, Modi said the new policy will be a medium to fulfill the aspirations, expectations and requirements of New India. Maintaining that preschool is the first outside experience for the children, Modi said the country needs teachers right from the preschool level for focus on fun learning, activity-based learning and discovery-based learning. The Prime Minister said we have to promote easy and innovative learning methods. Modi said, engage, explore, experience, express and excel should be the mantra of the new age learning. Project UJJWAL under the theme Light Up Our Kiphire, an initiative of Kiphire District Administration, was held at Deluxe Point, Kiphire yesterday. Project UJJWAL, translated as Bright, is a multi-phase project taken up by the district administration to install street lights in Kiphire town. The district administration undertook Project UJJWAL, taking into cognizance the problems faced by the public and especially girls and women of the district after receiving several complaints from various organizations regarding lack of street lighting during late hours. Maintaining that Kiphire is an aspirational district and a lot needs to be done, Deputy Commissioner Kiphire Abhinav Shivam appealed the public to be united and aspire for excellence and efficiency. The project will be executed in 3 phases by the district administration in collaboration with Power Department, Kiphire Town Council and Chamber of Commerce and Industries and ward authorities. This news comes to you from All India Radio, Kohima. Prime Minister Narendra Modi said that students can develop practical knowledge when education is imparted in relation to the surrounding environment. He announced the setting up of the National Evaluation Centre, PARAG, for overall improvement in the evaluation system. Modi said my GOV portal received more than 15 lakh suggestions within a week from teachers on the implementation of the policy. He said development of mathematical thinking and scientific temperament is of prime importance in children. He said a National Assessment Centre, PARAG, for performance assessment, reviews and analysis of knowledge for holistic development will be established to improve the overall evaluation system. Tuensang District Level Convergence Committee has decided to observe Pushan Ma on the theme Nutrition Garden. The observation would start on September 14th with local leaders and NGOs meeting focusing on removal of stigma with regard to COVID-19, obtaining pledges for practices of good nutrition, support of Pushan Abhiyan, ICDS and support of Kitchen Garden. On 17th would be cooking competition of food from locally available fruits and vegetables and documentation of winning recipe on the theme Nutrition. Mothers' meeting would be held on September 21st, while on 25th, Cleanliness Drive, and 28th, a program on adolescent girls would be conducted. The decision to this effect was taken during a meeting held in DC's Conference Hall, Tuensang today, under the chairmanship of Deputy Commissioner Kumar Ramnikant. A special team of Kohima excise personnel arrested 2 persons for smuggling marijuana and heroin worth 1,25,40,000 rupees. Assistant Commissioner of Excise, Zonal, S. Pyopemo Kikon, in a release said that acting on a tip-off, the excise personnel intercepted a suspected truck near Hydro along the National Highway at around 11:30 p.m. last night. On thorough search of the vehicle, he said the team detected a specially modified chamber on the front and rear side of the vehicle filled with illegal contraband ganja, neatly packed in 27 packets weighing 270 kilograms and 240 soap cases filled with suspected heroin weighing around 2.4 kilograms. In this connection, he said that the accused persons have been arrested for violation of the Narcotic Drugs and Psychotropic Substances Act 1985. In view of the present COVID-19 pandemic, Dimapur District Planning and Development Board, DPDP, meeting for this month was conducted virtually for the first time in the NIC Conference Hall, Dimapur. Besides other district officers, Advisor for Sericulture, Excise and Minority Affairs, Zalurio, who is also the chairman of Dimapur DPDP, NPF MLA Moa Toshi, and Deputy Commissioner and Vice Chairman DPDP Dimapur Rajesh Sundararajan participated in the meeting. After a thorough deliberation, the meeting approved the Local Area Development Program Fund for 2020-21 and decided to send the schemes to the Planning Department. The issue of establishing public park for Dimapur district was also discussed. MLA Moa Toshi highlighted on the need for proper monitoring of all the schemes implemented by various departments in the district. In the meeting, DC Dimapur also requested all the members to give their best support and cooperation towards COVID-19 related activities. And now to end the news, here are the main points again. Nagaland records highest single-day spike of 310 COVID-19 positive cases, increasing the tally to 4,946. Nagaland completes process of enumeration of the 7th Economic Census. Prime Minister Modi says National Education Policy 2020 will give a new direction to the 21st century India. And Kiphire District Administration initiates Project UJJWAL to light up Kiphire. That is all we have in this evening news bulletin. Good night.